anything mentioned?
Wait, please, Your Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Dev.
Lordship, I beg to mention a matter for listing on Tuesday, my lord.
What matter is this?
Lordship, what had happened is it's filed by the St. John's School, my lord, against the Employee Provident Fund. Due to, my lord, some miscalculation.
Tuesday is fine. It won't come normal course on Tuesday.
No, my lord.
Yes.
Lordship, I'd like to mention item number 19.
Number?
19.
19?
Yes, Lordship. Conducting counsel is not well, Lordship.
19 and 20, that means. Oh no, 19. Yes, yes. Adjournment is sought on behalf of the arguing counsel state to be indisposed. Is the matter after?
2 weeks.
2 weeks, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Wait, please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 16, Your Lordship.
16?
That the matter may come over after 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
You've informed the other side. Who's the other side?
I'm from the state respondents, Your Lordship.
Okay, yes. On the previous also. This is the matter after 2 weeks, yes.
Highly obliged, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I would like to mention item number 18, Lordship.
Abdul Hashim Sheikh.
Yes, my lord.
Why?
He is the conducting counsel, Mr. A.C. Sheikh. He is unwell.
Okay. 2 weeks as the counsel for the counsel state to be in this post, yes. 17? No one's mentioning. Yes.
Supplementary list, item number 1.
With the report, Mr. Barsaji.
My lord, we have received only a soft copy, my lord, could not make this. And if lordship, I place it with your lordship for that reason. Because the meeting was held yesterday.
You have any idea? Mr. Shangwan, what has happened? Mr. Suna,
My
what
lord,
happened?
his petitioners were also there. That is what the report says. That is only with regard to the existence of present situation, my lord. Finding from bottom, my lord. 4.
What report is this one?
My lord, it is very cryptic, my lord. There is nothing, my lord. My lord, what happened, my lord? We have some more information with regard to the action taken report in this
FIR.
FIR, my lord. But then this I can, if I can place, my lord. So this is, of course, my lord, is not signed at all. But then,
Who's the SP of West Cassians?
my lord, Bikram D. Marak, my lord. My lord, this is
I think
my lord, what is, my lord, what reveal, what I couldn't understand, my lord. As of now, my lord, there exists no problem, my lord. What I would, my lord, pray is that lordship, my lord, let us file an affidavit of opposition, bringing everything
No, in
And
the
my lord-
meantime, MIC, my lord, as per last, till 6 o'clock yesterday, I had a call from the relative of the petitioner number 1. As per the last report, according to them, he has been taken by the police yesterday.
They've been taken by the police?
Yes, for his
For his
safe
safety?
custody. Yes.
No, but Avia says that they choose to stay in Nongstang.
That is not correct. Personally, I had spoken to SP. Yes.
I think this what kind of report is this?
My lord, this is report. I also have a reservation, my lord. But then, just to my lord say, well, at least my lord, if lordship see paragraph 4.3, my lord, the affected family members were also there.
Yes.
I don't think, my lord, the SP will lie before this.
No, he will not lie, but at least he should have given a
So,
more
my lord,
substantial kind of report.
At least, my lord, one thing, my lord, is that, my lord, what I could gather is that, my lord, as of now, there exists nothing, my lord. There exists no threat, my lord.
Going by
So-
the report, your lordship, I would submit that we don't have any faith on this report. Neither here
It
nor
doesn't matter.
there.
We'll
What
take
I
down-
pray, what I pray
take down,
for your lordship, that an
pursuant to-
independent magisterial inquiry be taken.
Pursuant to these people need. You see what is given here is so funny. Is there a question that this petitioner has been alleged to be bad with witchcraft? They said whoever falls ill, they see this person in their dream, and so if like this person doesn't visit them, they won't be cured. So this person is supposed to have some magical powers. Is your petitioner that even you don't know whether he put the curse or not? But if someone falls ill in the village, if we see him in their dreams.
Allegation
Or while
was
hallucinate
made,
that they see this certain person, he has some magical powers, so he's summoned. And once he comes there, then they get cured. And if he doesn't go and visit them, no matter how much medicines they take, they'll die. So if that's the kind of belief that people are having, what can we do? So poor fellow, maybe he should start some. It is really sad. I mean, jokes apart, it's very sad that these kind of things happen. That you see a person in your dream and you see the way you think he's the one who's giving you witchcraft or something. And he should use their dreams to write tir, than to have these kind of things. Yes. Pursuant
There's
to,
some photographs to show that the participation of villagers.
pursuant to order dated 13/6/2023, whereby this court had directed for directed respondents number 2, 3 and 4 to initiate action to assess the situation and conduct a spot inquiry in the village in question, that is Maumulo Roman 2 capital, Ramrais Imship. A status report has been filed by the Superintendent of Police, West Hills, today. Stop. The report is of just a page and a half in bold print, and at the most is cryptic and sketchy. However, the materials, however, what can be seen from the report is that a meeting was held and the affected family members, and where the affected family members were also present. Stop. As per the report, there is no apparent of any immediate danger to the family of the petitioner. Stop. The learned AAG, Mr. B. Bhattacharjee, has also produced an action taken report in connection with the FIR lodged by the petitioner on 2/9/29, right? Mr.
There's a 2/9, it is received by on 6/9.
Yes, formally. An action taken, Mr. AAG, Mr. Vivash has also produced an action taken report in connection with Nongspang PS case number 71 in bracket 09/2022, which shows that on the lodging FIR, steps have been taken by the police authorities to cause investigation, and statements also were recorded. Stop. However, it is noted that the investigation of the case has been kept pending till this date due to lack of sufficient evidence. Next paragraph. Having perused the status report and the action taken report, this court at this stage deems it fit that affidavits be called from the state authorities or from the state respondents, which will which should be in a more detailed fashion. Have you made the village darbar party?
Yes, yeah. I have taken step also, then, sir.
As also affidavit from the respond number 5. Stop. Next paragraph. This court also notes that as there is some what can you call it, some misunderstanding in the village based on beliefs which should not find place in the modern age. The police authorities, especially respondents 3 and 4, are directed to maintain a strict vigil to avoid any untoward incidents that may occur. This is matter for 3 weeks for affidavit. It's absurd, really. This craft business.
It seems like he's very powerful when so far as village is concerned, my lord. His presence makes ailing person recover, my lord.
You should come to Shillong.
No, my lord. The version of the villager was there that he was called to make a prayer because this person was.
That's what. No, it's from there also that if you see him in his dream, and that if you fall ill, and if he comes to you, you'll get cured.
And if he doesn't pay a visit, my lord, that person dies. My lord.
Yes.
Item number 2.
May I please, Your Honor, that the conducting counsel is on legs in DV,
Who's the conducting counsel?
JC Kaur.
JC?
Kaur.
This is matter Monday.
Let the matter may come up at the end of the board.
Item number 3.
How do you move it? You have objections?
No objection.
No objections to the petition?
Oh, yes,
Is it
Lordship.
maintainable in this present form?
We have objections, Lordship.
Then, Dr. Mozika, who Mr. JC Gore?
He is the
Lordship,
conducting counsel.
Yes, Mr. Sir.
We have
Yes.
objections, Lordship.
I can't hear you. Yes? Yes. Of course.
And this is per se not maintainable, contrary to 329B.
We'll do one thing. What's your name?
S.R. Marak, Your Honor.
Heard S.R. Marak, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Stop. At the outset, who was present? You are for? Dr. N. Mozika is present. DSGI is present on behalf of respondents 1 and 2. And then
3 to 6.
Mr. Sahai with Mr. H. Karwanlang and so is present for respondents number
3 to
3
6.
to 6.
3 to 6.
Yes, next para, serious objections have been raised as to maintainability of the instrumented petition in an election matter. This is the case for hearing on. This is the case for hearing on. This is the case for admission hearing on question of maintainability. Objections may be filed before the next date. Just after 2 weeks. Yes.
Lodge.
Item number 3.
3 weeks time. Okay.
Lordship. The
Yes,
petitioner
Mr.
herein is before your Lordship, praying that the benefit of the judgment and order dated 31/8/2022 be also extended to the petitioner, since he is also similarly placed like the petitioner.
31/8/22. You are petitioner there also?
No, I'm not a petitioner. Similarly placed persons had filed writ petition before this honorable court, and those writ petitions were allowed. So I am also similarly placed to them. So I am before your Lordship that the benefit of that judgment and order be also extended to me.
Yes.
That is my case, Lordship.
But they've come belatedly, my lord. I'll have instruction on file affidavit.
How are you similarly situated with the judge? With this
Lordship, they were also ordered for premature retirement from service on completion of 30 years of service. So they have challenged before this honorable court that order of premature retirement.
Then what happened?
That was allowed. finally that was allowed.
So you're similarly situated with the other petitioners.
I am also similarly
Were you not joined them as petitioners during that time?
At that relevant point of time, Lordship, I was also one of the petitioner. That
No, you
time,
say you're not a
it was
petitioner?
dismissed. It was dismissed. That those writ petitions were dismissed, and some of the writ petitioners, they have preferred appeal before the division bench of this honorable court. In the meantime, some of the other writ petitioners, they have approached the Guwahati High Court, and the single judge there, the Guwahati High Court, had interfered with the impugn order of premature retirement. Observing that the Rule 26 of Assam Rifles.
So you mean
not
the
followed.
conflicting decisions between Meghalaya High Court and Guwahati High Court?
At the single bench level, my lord.
At the
But,
single level. And then
but the
there-
division bench, when the matter was, because what happened, my lord, around 70-80 writ petitions were filed before this honorable court, my lord. Then Justice Sen at that point of time dismissed all the writ petitions, saying that the Assam Rifle Jawan must be healthy and fit to carry out their duties, my lord. Against, out of the 70-80, only around 10 or 12 they filed a writ appeal, my lord, before this honorable court. Writ appeal was subsequently allowed and matter sent back to single bench, my lord, with certain observation. In the meantime, the others who approached the Guwahati High Court, my lord, they succeeded in their writ petition. And from there, it went up to Honorable Supreme Court, my lord, and that was not interfered.
Okay. Heard Mr. S.D. Upadhyay, General Counsel for the petitioner issue notice. Dr. N. Muzika, NGI,
All the responses.
assisted by S. Runthao, is present accept notice on behalf of all the respondents. No further notice called for. This is the matter after 4 weeks for affidavit. Yes. Why you came so late?
Yes, Lordship, immediately after the dismissal, he was sent back.
No, why you came so
Without-
late to the court now?
Now, Lordship, because there were certain developments, so we'll place all those.
You have to satisfy the court on that count.
Delays on the
Main list item
Delays
one.
is it might be unsurmountable. Yes. Settled out of court? Has been settled?
No much.
If it could be taken up to 2 weeks forward, in the meantime, I'll try to get some
Yes,
instructions. I don't know what is
Mr.
the
A.S. Siddiqui, Learned Counsel petitioner submits that the talk settlement were on. No, it has not been concluded as yet. Accordingly, it's a matter of 3 weeks.
Two. Item number 2.
My lord, in this case, I have got my seniority has been restored by this. So there's nothing remains in the petition, so it may be closed, my lord.
Mr. P.K. Bora, Learned Counsel petitioner, submits that as the seniority of the petition has been restored, nothing remains for consideration in the petition. Stop, he please allowed to withdraw the same. MSZ has no objections. Next paragraph.
In fact, Your
in view-
Lordship, the petitioner has been promoted also.
Yes.
Got both, promotion also, seniority also, my lord.
So, in view of the submission of the counsel petitioner, matter stands closed and with disposal on withdrawal.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Item number 3.
This Lordship, in that case, I am appearing for the accident, Lordship, and in that contender number 1 and 2 have not filed the activity till date.
What about the rejoinder? Mr. Deka, you are Mr. Deka.
Yes, Lordship, the rejoinder is not required at all, Lordship. I have already
Then why did you
filed
seek
our
time to
one-
file rejoinder? It was not required.
Lordship, yes, Lordship, that I have already filed one rejoinder, Lordship, it will cover. And
It's
that-
fine,
but
where's the rejoinder? It's
contender-
not on, office note
yes,
says that
Lordship,
there's no rejoinder.
Lordship,
Yes.
I filed it on the. I filed it, Lordship, on the February, on the last occasion I have filed it, Lordship. It is, I filed it on the February 2023. On February 2023, a rejoinder has already been filed, Lordship.
One second. February?
February 2023.
No, Mr. Deka, only the last one is a affidavit filed by the respondent on
Lordship.
17 May 2023. Reply
Yes,
is
Lordship, that-
reply before that. 22.
Yes, Lordship, that
This
my
is to
earlier
the, this
rejoinder
is to
will cover,
the
Lordship.
this is to the contender number 3. What
Yes, sir,
about
contender
rejoinder
number
to the
3.
affidavit filed by the respondent's number?
Yes, Lordship, that contender number 1 and 2 has not filed their affidavit till today, Lordship.
Correct.
We
It
filed,
is-
my lord, on 17th
Yes,
They
sir.
filed 17 May they filed.
This is on behalf of
This
all the
was record.
respondents.
No, Lordship, it was filed by the contender number 3 only. The Lieutenant General Protection on IR.
You come physically. Yes, this is matter up to 2 weeks.
Item
For
number
further
4.
orders, yes.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, pleading is complete.
You filed rejoinder?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Party submit the pleadings are complete according to the matter for hearing. So for hearing in the usual course and so on so.
5.
Obliged, ma'am.
In this matter, Lordship, I have not received the instructions or voice comments. I pray for some more time.
This is 22 matter.
Your Lordship, I'm appearing for respondent. I pray for some more time to file my affidavit.
What's the matter about? School?
Your Lordship, Your Lordship, I have submitted the application before, under Section E, Your Lordship, before the state respondent, Your Lordship. So regarding that the application, till now no action has been taken, Your Lordship.
You filed it, you, Mr. H. Karmi, Relationship of Advocate for Respondent 1 and 2, and Mr. Gill, Lasam lawyer for some 3 pre for allowed further 2 weeks' time to file the affidavit. Thereafter.
6.
Your Lordship, we have filed our rejoinder.
Yes?
We have filed our rejoinder application, Your Lordship.
You filed rejoinder?
Yes, Lordship.
Filed yesterday.
Is it, we can dispose it of or for hearing?
It's up to them, my lord. It can be, because they say, what they say is that basically since they have undergone some my lord, courses, they are eligible for regularization. That is what their case is.
Your Lordship, I pray for 3 weeks' time. Let the matter come up for hearing.
You'll prepare the matter yourself?
My Lordship, be my senior principal.
Okay, yes, file submitted, please complete. This is a matter for hearing and so on, so on. Yes.
7.
Your Lordship, I pray 2 more weeks, Your Lordship, to file my rejoinder.
How many times you've taken?
This is the second time, Your Lordship.
Second time. Mr. D. Nyokta prays for the allowed further 2 weeks' time to file rejoinder affidavit. Thereafter and so on, so.
8.
May it please, Your Lordship.
Give me that letter.
Mr. Chanda.
Well, it's
oh, sorry.
Well, it's this letter.
Last time he wanted.
Well, it's this letter has been given by the District Council dated the 2nd of September 2021. Malaj. What I was praying, Malaj, let them put it by way of an affidavit.
What is that letter?
I think that it says that the District Council has not decided not to issue an NOC. That's what they say. And I think it was placed before your Lordships on the last occasion, Malaj, without a formal affidavit being filed.
Oh, yes. The thing is that they'll have to file a rejoinder to this. And
I will have to file a rejoinder, Malaj, because this opens up a hornet's nest, as your Lordships would see.
The entire writ division.
That the court will examine. Yes, on 15/5/2023, Mr. Vijay Giltal, then a special counsel for the response 4 and 5, had produced a letter dated 2nd September 2021. A copy whereof was also made available to the counsel for the petitioner. Stop. Next paragraph. As the letter has a crucial bearing on the adjudication of the instant matter, the respondents 4 and 5 directed to file the same by way of Mr. Kanta, file the same way of affidavit to for purpose of records.
This is their position, Malaj. They say they're not going to give.
We have to file by way of affidavit to bring on record the same. Yes. 2 weeks time granted.
9.
How much time, Your Lordship?
2 weeks.
The state would also be required to file an affidavit to make its position clear, my lords.
The state also is expected to file the affidavit for the next date.
Lordship.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, last week we received the affidavit from the respondents. We forwarded it to the corporation for comments. 2 weeks may kindly be granted, Lordship,
Yes.
for rejoinder if required, my Lord.
Yes, as General Learned Counsel for the petition submits that we are in receipt of the affidavit filed by the respondents and prays that he may be allowed 2 weeks' time to peruse the same as to whether rejoinder would be necessary. And this is a matter of the 2 weeks.
Thank
Your name?
Z.A. Chaudhary, under instruction of Ms. P. Bhattacharya.
So what is your name?
Z.A. Chaudhary.
Z.A. Chaudhary. That is a Vice MSP, Vice MSP, yes.
Please, Lordship. Lordship, I pray for some more time to file my affidavit, Lordship.
For the petitioner, Lordship.
What is the matter about?
Lordship, this matter.
You are appearing for which respondent?
6, 7, 9 and 10, Your Lordship.
Who 6, 7, 9 Negrims? No. 6, 7, order 6, 7, 9 and 10. What about 8? Are you entering appearance today?
It has already expired.
He expired. Are you entering appearance today?
No, Your
The first time? It's not the first time. It's Mr. H. Karman Lang and MSP Biswakarma on behalf of Vijay Lang on behalf of respondents 1, 2, 4 and MS 1, 2, 3, 4. V. Biswakarma on behalf of respondents number
6, 7, 9.
5. 5 expired also.
5 has already retired, Your Lordship.
On behalf of response 6, 7, 9 and 10. Pray for an allowed further 2 weeks time to file affidavit. Stop. It's also informed by counsel for the bar of respondents that the respondent 5 has since retired and number 8 has expired. Number 8 has also expired. Stop. Petitioner to obtain instructions on the same. Just after 2 weeks.
11.
If it's true, then do you have to stop up?
I'm praying for 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship, for rejoinder.
I filed the affidavit, Lordship, for all respondents. Item 11.
You 5 to?
Item 11.
5 to?
For all respondents.
What's your name?
1 to 5, Lordship.
J.T. Sangma.
All respondents.
J.T. Sangma, Haliparcha pays for allowed 2 weeks time for the journey affidavit. And the affidavit filed the state respondents, yes.
12.
Please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, the AD card in respect of respondent 4 and 5 has been received.
Your Lordship, I humbly pray 3 weeks' time, Your Lordship, to file the affidavit.
Have you filed a service affidavit?
No, Your Lordship.
Affidavit on behalf of Ramanujan, AD card has been received. Okay. Okay then. Office note indicates that the AD card on behalf of 5 has also been received. As such, the service on the private respondent 4 and 5 is complete. Stop. MS and Raji on behalf of 1, 2 and 3 is complete, but none appears on the behalf today. Stop. Next paragraph. MS and Raji on behalf of 1, 2 and 3. What do you want?
To file affidavit, Your Lordship, 3 weeks.
How much time?
3 weeks, Your Lordship.
Praise for allowed 3 weeks further time to file affidavit. This thereafter also.
13.
I'm praying for some more time.
No, the second time is coming.
Yes.
Dr. M. Ojikaria is also. Please for further 3 weeks time to file affidavit. Yes, thereafter also.
14.
Lordship, in this matter, I'm praying for some time for.
What about the state?
Lordship, stay has not been granted because.
No, what about the state?
State.
1, 3 and 5.
Mr. Ekhan was appearing on the last day.
None appears. They are respondents 1, 3 and 5. MSBF Karwanang. And we have respondent number 4. Response allowed. How much time?
4 weeks time, my lordship.
4 weeks too long. 3 weeks time to file affidavit. Yes.
Highly obliged.
Yes. Also.
Hearing 15.
Why is the matter? I thought it's disposed of. What happened?
My lord, because last date, what Negrims has raised is that this is for 2 years. This ad hoc appointment or temporary, the appointment is for 2 years. Now they have given me from behind 2 months extra. So they were saying that I cannot get a
How
benefit.
do you rationalize that?
Yes, how do you rationalize that one, my lord? My contention was that, my lord, by not reinstating me, putting me to the same position, 9th March 2019 was the date when I was given the appointment, and I joined on the 12th, my lord. And provisionally my joining was accepted, subject to the production of the character certificate. Character certificate or that was also supposed to be issued by...
What are we supposed to do?
My lord, today, my lord,
last time you took time.
Yes, my lord, I took time because I wanted to research some more on those, how do we rationalize...
So what did you research
on that point, my lord?
unearthed?
My lord, I came back with 3 judgments, my lord, today. 3 judgments which all would support that...
that how they can rationalize that additional time? How will you rationalize it?
My lord, not exactly on the point or how do we rationalize, but on the point that, my lord, how to substantiate that, my lord, once, because I believe, my lord, I've been able to persuade my lord that the termination was in fact invalid. It was wrongly terminated.
Now that's over.
Yes.
What
that's
you're asking
over.
is only for that.
Yes. And my lord, for that matter, my lord has the power. My lord can do justice. My lord,
no, that is. But then, like, to
yes,
it has to be based on some substance, correct?
My lord, yes. Because, my lord, at that relevant point of time, my lord, when they have extended me 2 months, my lord, extra 2 months, so to say, my lord, that was a COVID period, my lord.
That was a
COVID period, my lord. And Lord Senior will not dispute that fact, where the medical help, doctors were at most required, my lord. That is a time, my lord, which I was...
So you mean to say that COVID period will be declared a 0 period?
My lord, for that, whatever I have worked there, I have been paid, my lord. I am not disputing on that. I have not been paid. I have worked, I have paid. But my grievance still remains, my lord. What about my 6 months period which I have lost? Today I am still a junior. Today I am still an assistant professor. I could have been an associate professor, my lord. So the reinstatement, once they have agreed, my lord, that the termination was wrong, then they could have reinstated me, put me in the same position, so that I don't lose my 6.
We'll have it some other day. We are a bit pressed for time today.
My lord.
You come fully prepared.
My lord.
Yes, this is matter also at the request of the parties.
Next, my lord.
After 1 month.
17.
None appears on behalf of the petitioner. Is there any urgency here? Just after 3 weeks.
$20.
Yeah, I'm praying for time. The last occasion, my lord, in the course of the hearing, my lord,
where's added material by an affidavit?
Exactly, my lord.
Where's the affidavit? Have you filed it?
My lord, it is ready, but some changes are there, my lord. So I'll pray
Ready in which manner?
My lord, certain more documents are
still conceptualized, or it's in black and white?
No, in black and white, my lord. Okay. But however, certain some more documents will have to be added.
I have an objection, Your Lordship.
You have an objection? You meet an objection?
My lord,
okay, we just give them 1 week more time. Let them file it. Yes.
Lord, only problem is that, my lord,
1 week.
It can be 2 weeks, my lord, because I have some personal difficulties, my lord, next week.
Mr. KB Varsajila GA, first state respondent, submits that the affidavit which is allowed to be filed by order dated 12/5/2023 due to unavoidable circumstances could not be filed. Stop. He prays that may be given 2 weeks further time to file the same. Stop. MSS Shalam, on behalf of the petitioner, has raised strong objections to the prayer of the learned GA. Stop. Next para. However, in interest of justice, 2 weeks further time is granted as the last opportunity. The affidavit is. It's over. Have to go to. Any mention?
A small mention, my lord,
Yes.
some indulgence. Item number 9 had just appeared some time back. My fault completely. There's an interim order which lordship is required to extend, my lord.
And number 9, interim order of any shall be extended till next date.
Apology.